Alright, the news is only a couple of hours ago, DJI just released a clip revealing a new product, well, mostly teasing a new product. Go ahead and check it out. Here I manipulated the image a little bit so you can clearly see the camera. This really doesn't look like something that would fly. It's not aerodynamic and there's a wheel there, so I think we know what it is. And now, I just want to take you back to February 2019, like 4 months ago. I think I posted that video, let me see when to be exact, on the 6th of February. So I'm taking you back, yeah, approximately 4 months back, and you'll see. I was teasing this product. I told you that I had a insider info that something like a ground-based vehicle is coming, and this product really looks like one. So just subscribe to this channel, okay? I'm providing information before everyone else, and there is the proof. Maybe I should just hush now. You go ahead and check out the video. Do you remember the leaked photo before the Mavic 2 Pro zoom launches? Like, some said that it was Justine's hand in the picture. Some said that like a GoPro Karma looking drone is coming with a small stabilizer that is separate from the main body unit. So basically a separate stabilizer that attaches to the drone body. Well, now we know that they were two separate products. There is Mavic 2 line and the Osmo Pocket, which was launched December or the last day of November. Let's go back to that picture. As you know, the devil is in the detail. I mean, look at the back, the weird wheel that we didn't see anywhere else. It doesn't look like anything that came out of DJI's door so far. And I have some insider information that I can't tell you who, but DJI has been showing a robot-like device around and getting the pulse of their... If I say this, it will be traceable, so I cannot tell more, but basically, I know that DJI is cooking something, and that is the thing in that picture. So going back to that pictures, 2 out of the 3 are already a reality, so my bet is just the third one happening with that insider info that I already mentioned. Maybe this would be some sort of iteration to celebrate the RoboMasters. Like in the RoboMasters competition, there are 5 types of robots. Let me show you what it looks like.
There are 5 types of robot on each team. Hero, Standard, Engineer, Aerial, and Sentry.
None of them fits 100% with that wheel structure, but still, like RoboMasters is there, DJI, robot on the picture. So, is it the holy grail that DJI was masterfully hiding in there? We'll learn about it soon. So yeah, back in February I teased this, and it was kind of obvious, right? It's the same photo, 2 things happened, why not the third? And I made a connection with the DJI's RoboMasters competition, and I think it also makes sense because RoboMasters is going to happen soon. So this is the right timing, and DJI is doing the right thing. There was no event invitation. I didn't hear any of the guys I know on YouTube receiving one, so I'm going to assume that it will not be an event-based reveal, but it will be a great reveal, and I'm like quite confident that it's going to be the RC car that I teased back in February. But if it is not, it will be my pleasure to see something new from DJI. Everyone is dying to get a new drone, I know that, and DJI just yesterday started a huge sale on their website. Well, it's huge in their terms, otherwise it's what, maximum $150 that you get to save, but still, it could be a drone too. And in my opinion, there's DJI Fly Safe about to come in 2020. Starting from January 2020, DJI committed to put that unit in their new drones so that they'll have a communication mechanism with other flying objects. So for me, if you're asking my opinion, I would not buy any drones this summer unless you don't have any. But if you have a Mavic Air or Mavic Pro, you're already good to go. Or if you're using the old Mavic Pro, exactly, you can just hold on to that and grab your new one with the new FlySafe system starting from January 2020. But we have the Osmo Action, we have the Osmo Pocket, and now we have this RC-based product that will be launched on Tuesday. And if it will be something else, I'll be so happy. So once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Until I see you next time, take great care of yourselves. Arrivederci.